Today's woman is working and playing harder than ever before, and your active and healthy lifestyle is revealing more and more of your body than ever before, especially your legs. Your legs are the focal point of your total body beauty. Beautiful women always have beautiful legs. But the modern dream of total body beauty eludes tens of millions of American women. Unsightly varicose and spider leg veins are forcing women to cover up, to hide the embarrassing and unhealthy-looking varicose veins that are so common with women everywhere. Sure, the rich and famous can afford expensive cosmetic surgery, but what about the rest of us? Introducing the California Vein Specialist.
And now your host, Tamara Friedman, registered nurse.
Hi everyone, I'm Tamara Friedman, and I'm here to show you the affordable and medically approved simple solution to unsightly varicose and spider leg veins. Introducing the California Vein Specialist. The Vein Specialists offer the very latest laser and cosmetic injection therapies to remove unsightly varicose and spider leg veins. The California Vein Specialists are Dr. Ken Jesser and Dr. Michael Leary, both board-certified physicians with a combined 25 years of active practice in the desert. Coming up, you'll meet women who experience truly life-changing results. Women who went from covering it up to living it up. The California Vein Specialists are here to make your legs and your life more beautiful.
I was just, I was feeling kind of tired and haggard looking, and I didn't want to go and have any kind of, plastic surgery done. I just needed to look refreshed and rested. And so I went to California Vein Specialists, and they were incredible. Once I had the procedure done, I wished I would have done it years ago. It changed my confidence level.
I was pleasantly surprised after a procedure that I don't have a leg aching at all, no matter how long I would spend on my feet.
Hello again. It's a pleasure to introduce you all to the California Vein Specialists, Dr. Ken Jesser and Dr. Michael Leary. Thank you both for being here today.
Thanks for having us, Tamara.
Thanks. It's great to be here.
So tell us, why did you two establish the California Vein Specialists?
Dr. Leary and I have been practicing emergency medicine for a combined 28 years at a very well-known Rancho Mirage hospital in the Valley. We wanted to take our medical and our surgical backgrounds and combine them into a practice to take care of patients who have troubling, annoying vein problems of the face, of the legs, and of the hands. With our extensive medical and our surgical backgrounds, we're able to incorporate that with some of the most well-known international techniques that are currently available and combine them into a comfortable, safe setting and provide affordable care with great results.
And we've sought out some of the best people in the country, actually in the world, including Dr. John Bergen, who's our mentor. He's known as the father of vascular surgery.
Dr. Jesser and Dr. Leary have been here at our clinic a number of times. They have thoroughly absorbed our techniques, and I would highly recommend that their treatment is as good as can be obtained anywhere in the country.
What are some of the biggest questions you hear from men and women over and over again?
How does it work is a question that we hear a lot, and how long will I be off my feet?
And we love to take questions like that because the answers are so straightforward. You're not going to be off your feet at all. When the treatment's over, you get up and you walk out of our office.
Can you two briefly describe the procedure for us?
Well, first you have to make the diagnosis. We do this by using duplex ultrasound. We have a lot of different trans-illumination devices to illuminate the skin so we can see the veins. And then we'll either do sclerotherapy or possibly a laser. And a lot of the times we use a combination of both laser and sclerotherapy.
We think it's important to treat your leg vein problem as part of the whole. We need to know what it is about your various vein problem that's bothersome to you. Are you having symptoms or not? Do you have any other medical conditions that might hinder the treatment or be causing the problem that you see? Treating leg veins is a science and an art, and it's very dependent on good medicine and good technique. There's no one way to take care of veins right, and you need to have somebody with a broad background and your interest in mind, and that's what we think we offer.
They make you feel like they've known you forever. They just make you feel so welcome. And even during the procedure, they're there to talk to you.
If I didn't think these doctors were the best that they that there is, I would not have let them work on me. I have watched their work. They've allowed me to come in and watch and see what they do, and I have the utmost confidence in them because I see the results on the other patients, and it really did work on me.
They were just so professional and gave me all the answers to my questions, and it just wasn't frightening at all. I was shocked afterwards. It was way better than going to the dentist, let's put it that way.
What is it that causes these unsightly, very visible veins to occur?
Actually, about probably over 90% of this is genetic, and things such as professions where you're standing on your feet for a long period of time may add to it a little bit, but mainly it's your mom's fault. You inherited it. Other things such as childbirth, where it's hormonal mediated, that's another thing that can aggravate it, but still the main cause is genetics.
And basically, all these problems, to the microscopic level for a second, the real problem is bad valves, bad one-way valves in your veins. The veins are supposed to empty out, and if they stay filled because those one-way valves aren't working properly, they get big. Big nasty varicose veins or little spider veins, they're all from the same underlying problem, which is bad valves.
The reason I had the procedure done was I lead a very active lifestyle, and after having my 3 children, I developed some spider veins that had become painful. The procedure was a lot easier than I thought it would be. It was a lot less invasive than I had anticipated.
I was very happy with the results, and it was almost instant results. The pain went away right away.
After a few treatments, the results were very noticeable. I was very happy.
We've seen that unsightly leg veins are an equal opportunity affliction. Unsightly veins can occur at any time in your adult life, and lifestyle and diet don't seem to matter that much one way or the other. We all want to be as beautiful and youthful looking as we can, and cosmetic vein therapy can make your legs more beautiful and younger looking. We know that beautiful women always have beautiful legs, and we all know beautiful women who have unattractive varicose veins and spider veins that seriously diminish their beauty. Take a look at your legs. Go ahead and look. If you're like almost half the women in America over 40, you may have embarrassing, unattractive varicose or spider leg veins. If you do, please call the number on your screen and get your own free private consultation and evaluation. It won't cost you anything to explore your options, and one phone call just might make a change in your life forever. Is that an easy call or what?
Millions of people are covering up their legs to hide unsightly and embarrassing leg veins. It's time to end the cover-up. California Vein Specialists provide state-of-the-art cosmetic vein therapy to remove unsightly varicose and spider leg veins. Both laser and cosmetic injection therapies are minimally invasive outpatient procedures performed by board-certified physicians, so you're back on your feet immediately. California Vein Specialists. Call now to schedule a free consultation and see your unsightly veins disappear.
Welcome back. I hope we're giving you all the information you need to know about cosmetic vein therapy. Doctors Jesser and Leary, are there some other questions you can tell us from prospective patients?
Well, Tamara, another question that we hear a lot is, you're going to take this vein away. Isn't it going to hurt me? Don't I need this vein? For every vein that you see, there's at least 50 other veins doing the same job, much better, that are smaller and haven't enlarged. So actually, by taking that vein out, you're doing yourself a favor.
Once this vein is damaged, if you lose weight, you change your lifestyle, you take vitamins, nothing's going to repair the vein that's already damaged, and it needs to be eliminated. And in doing this, this will actually help preserve some of the healthy veins that you have.
Oh, I feel so much better, and I play tennis a lot and swim, and so I'm in shorts a lot, and I just feel much more confident, and I know my legs look good.
We have one patient in particular who had terrible pain in her legs, and when she came in after one treatment, she got off the table and said to Dr. Leary, "My legs don't hurt anymore."
Aside from being very unattractive and embarrassing, varicose and spider leg veins are a very unfair and almost cruel condition. It's unfair that these ugly veins are mostly caused by genetics, and your lifestyle and diet have very little to do with acquiring them in the first place. And the cruel thing about varicose veins is that you could be the absolute picture of health, but with varicose or spider leg veins, you look a lot less healthy and a lot less youthful. It's not a pretty picture.
I've noticed such a big result. I was able to go to work. I did this procedure when I was on my lunch hour. So I was able to return to work, had no problems, no pain.
Age has nothing to do with it. I'm 47 years old, and I've stood on my feet for 25 years. And it's just a matter of something that happens to some people. And so I had it done for the pain, and also it does help you cosmetically, because when you wear shorts, everything was sticking out and wasn't very pretty.
As a physician, I was apprehensive about the procedure. So even though I knew my colleagues very well, and I was very aware of their excellent clinical skills, competence, the procedure took about 45 minutes in a very pleasant environment. I did not receive any anesthesia. I did not have any discomfort. I was home in 10 minutes. Kids were waiting for me to go bike riding. I was very happy.
I do need to point out that all cosmetic vein therapies are not alike. You need to do your homework when selecting a physician to remove unsightly veins. Now, if you select California Vein Specialists, I've already done the homework for you. Both the doctors are board certified. They have 28 years of combined medical experience. All of the procedures are performed by Doctors Leary and Jesser. They use ultrasound to look under the skin and find the feeder veins that cause varicose and spider veins. And they have the state-of-the-art laser and cosmetic injection therapies, which are minimally invasive, walk-away procedures. Don't forget that you're not the only one who will enjoy your newly beautified legs. Think about how your loved ones will feel.
People that know me notice a big difference in the appearance of my legs, so it's boosted my self-confidence.
After the procedure, I was able to wear a short dress. And I do have a couple pictures of my daughter, who is 31. We're standing next to each other, and my legs look as good as hers.
Millions of people are covering up their legs to hide unsightly and embarrassing leg veins. It's time to end the cover-up. California Vein Specialists provide state-of-the-art cosmetic vein therapy to remove unsightly varicose and spider leg veins. Both laser and cosmetic injection therapies are minimally invasive outpatient procedures performed by board-certified physicians, so you're back on your feet immediately. California Vein Specialists. Call now to schedule a free consultation and see your unsightly veins disappear.
You know what? I would absolutely recommend California Vein Specialists. They were incredible. In fact, I have. I've recommended it to many of my friends who love it.
I have recommended them to everybody I know. I can't tell you how happy I am and how pleased I was with the results.
Dr. Jesser and Dr. Leary, I want to thank you both and congratulate you both for all the beautiful work you do at California Vein Specialists.
Thank you.
After meeting them, I was very impressed with their knowledge and their expertise. I felt very comfortable.
With Dr. Jesser, my legs look so good that I decided to have my dress cut off into a short dress.
I would recommend this treatment to anyone. The downtime is minimal, it's virtually painless, and it makes your legs look great.
Millions of people are covering up their legs to hide unsightly and embarrassing leg veins. It's time to end the cover-up. California Vein Specialists provide state-of-the-art cosmetic vein therapy to remove unsightly varicose and spider leg veins. Both laser and cosmetic injection therapies are minimally invasive outpatient procedures performed by board-certified physicians, so you're back on your feet immediately. California Vein Specialists. Call now to schedule a free consultation and see your unsightly veins disappear.